स्वागत है आपका शुक्ला मैथ्स एकेडमी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस पर। मैं हूं प्रोफेसर जीपी शुक्ला और आज मैं आपके लिए लेके आया हूं ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन फॉर IIT JEE एंड 11th मैथ्स। ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड वेरी यूजफुल इन ऑल ओवर द मैथ्स फ्रॉम 10th, 11th and 12th and also college level. So study this very carefully. It is very important and very useful chapter in maths. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन फॉर क्लास 11th मैथ्स. So we are starting the measurement of an angle. So in trigonometry, first we will understand what is a measurement of an angle, and after that we will use these measurement in trigonometry. So there are mainly two types of measurement of an angle. These are the first one is in degree and second one is the in radian. So first we will understand what is a degree and after that the radian. So now see here, there is a triangle ABC, a 90-degree triangle, and if we divide this 90-degree angle into 90 equal parts, so we get the value of one part is 1 degree. So we can say that the 1 degree is the 190th part of a right angle. So now see here, one right angle is 90 degree and also the 1 degree is divided into 60 equal parts, that is called 1 minute. So 1 degree equal to 60 minutes and also the minutes is divided into 60 equal parts, that is called seconds. So 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So this is the measurement of an angle in degree and also minutes and seconds. And after that we will see that the radian measure of an angle. When we will define the radian, we will consider here a circle because the radian is a circular measurement. So let a circle with center O and OA and OB, right, are two radius and making an angle with the arc AB, that is the angle AOB, right. So this angle AOB will be called 1 radian if the length of arc AB is also equal to the radius of the circle. So we can define here the 1 radian. 1 radian is the measure of an angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc of length equal to radius of the circle. So 1 radian equal to angle AOB. So that is the definition of 1 radian, and after that we will see here relation between radian and degree. Okay, this is very important relation. So now see that the pi radian equal to 180 degree. Remember that pi radian is equal to always 180 degree. So therefore 1 radian equal to 180 by pi in degree. Okay, remember that. So if we have to convert the angle value in radian to degree, so we must multiply by 180 by pi. And second one is similarly, because 180 degree equal to pi radian, so therefore 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radian, right. So it is the first one and it is the second one. So when we have to convert the degree in radian, so we must multiply by pi by 180 radian. I am taking here some example based on the conversion degree to radian and radian to degree. So I am taking here 3 problems based on the conversion from radian to degree measure. We have given angles in radian and we have to find the conversion of these radians into the degree. So now we start this. First one is the 2 pi by 15 radian. Okay, because pi radian equal to 180 degree, right. So 1 radian equal to 180 by pi. So multiplying in this given angle by 180 by pi, so we get in degree, that is whole in degree. So 2 pi by 15 into 180 by pi will be cancelled, and 3 5 15, 3 6 18 and 0. So we get 62 ja 120 divided by 5 in degree. And now dividing 120 by 5, 5 2 ja 10 and 2 5 4 ja 20. So 24 degree. So we can say that the value of 2 pi by 15 angle in radian is 24 degree in degree. And now second angle is pi by 8 in radian. So we must convert this into degree by multiplying 180 by pi, that is in degree. Okay, and now pi will be cancelled, and also cross it. 4 4 ja 16, 4 5 ja 20 and 4 2 ja 8. So it is 45 by 2 in degree. So now our angle is coming in degree, but this is a fraction. So when we get a fraction, we must convert it into 3 forms by dividing this, right? So now divide this 45 by 2. We know that 2 2 ja 4, that it is 0, and 5 2 2 ja 4, that is 4 1 remainder. So we can write this as a 3 form by dividend into remainder by divisor, that is 2 whole degree, right? So 22 1 by 2 is the 3 form of 45 by 2. And now 22 degree write down as it is, and fraction will convert into the minutes by multiplying 60, because 1 degree equal to 60 minute. So this is 22 degree and 60 by 2, that is 30 minute. So this is the our required conversion of pi by 8 radian to in degree and minutes, and here second is not coming, so no problem. Sometimes some problems the value will come in degree, minutes and also seconds, but here seconds are 0. So 22 degree 30 minute is our answer. So now I am taking the next question, third one, 1 by 4 in radian. So first we will convert this value in radian to degree by multiplying 180 by pi. So it is in degree, because pi radian equal to 180 degree. So 1 radian equal to 180 by pi. And after that cross the 4 1 ja 4, 4 4 ja 16, 4 5 ja 20. So 45 by pi degree, and also put the value of 45, and also putting the value of pi is 22 by 7. So whole value simplified, 45 into 7 by 22 in degree. So this is not crossing. So now multiply this, 7 5 35 and 3 carry on, 7 4 28 and 3 29 30 31, 315 by 22 degree, right? And now this is a fraction, so we must convert this fraction from 2 form to 3 form by dividing 315 by 22. 22 1 ja 22, that is 8 30 and 9 is remainder, so 5 here. So 22 4 ja 88, right? And 15 minus 8 7, it is 0. So we can write the 315 by 22 from 2 forms to 3 form, that is the 14 dividend and remainder by divisor 22 in degree. Okay, and now see that we can write this 14 degree and plus 7 by 22 into 60 minute. We are converting the fraction 7 by 22 into minute by multiplying 60, because 1 degree equal to 60 minutes, right? So this is becomes 14 degree and plus 7 by 22, cross it, 2 11 ja 22, 2 30 ja 60. So 30 into 7, that is 210 upon 11 in minutes, and also divide 210 by 11. So we get 11 1 ja 11, that is 10, and here also 0 take this. So 11 9 ja 99, so we get remainder 1. So we can write 14 degree plus, this is in 3 form, 19 and 1 by 11 minute. So we can write 14 degree, and here take 19 outside the bracket in minutes, and 1 by 11 multiplying by 60, so it will be converted into seconds. So 14 degree into 19 minutes and 60 by 11, this is also a fraction in seconds. So we must 14 degree, 19 minute and 60 by 11, convert this in 3 form. So 11 5 ja 55, 5 remainder by 11 minutes. So this is 14 degree, 19 minutes and 5 seconds, and 5 by 11 is very small quantity, so it is negligible, so neglect it. So this is the value 14 degree and 19 minutes and 5 seconds of the 1 by 4 radian. So these are the examples of conversion from radian to degree, and after that we will see how we can convert the angle from degree to radian. Now I am taking the next question, the conversion of degree measure to radian measure. So first one is 25 degree, right? So 25 degree we will convert it into radian by multiplying pi by 180. So it is in radian because pi radian equal to 180 degree, or we can write 180 degree equal to pi radian. So 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radian. So when we have to convert degree to radian, multiplying by pi by 180 in the angle. So this is by crossing 5 5 ja 25, 5 3 ja 15 and 5 6 ja 30. So this is 5 pi by 36 in radian. And now similarly we can convert the second one, that is the 240 degree. So 240 degree we will multiplying it by pi by 180, so it is in radian, and 0 will be cancelled by 0, and 6 4 ja 24, 6 3 ja 18, so this is 4 pi by 3 in radian. Okay.